Hey guys, this is Marshall over at poolwarehouse.com. Today we're looking at a new spa in the Smoky Mountain Hot Tubs line. This is an 84-inch square spa, a little bit under 7 foot. It's got 53 jets in it. It's got lights everywhere. It's got a light in every single one of these jets. And this might be my favorite spa that Smoky Mountain Hot Tubs has done yet. It's a pretty nice one. Right now I'm sitting in a little bench seat here. It's got a headrest. It's pretty nice. A lot of people fight over the lounger seat here. Lounger seat is pretty good too. It's got feet jets. It's got hand jets. It's got a headrest also. It's got a spot for you to place your drink. If you're asking me though, the spot you'd be fighting me for is right here. It's the deepest, I think it's the deepest seat. It's got these shoulder jets here and a headrest. Yeah, if this was mine, this is my spot. Nobody else's spot, this is mine. Now, Smoky Mountain Hot Tubs are made right here in the USA. They're manufactured by Dynasty Spas in East Tennessee, and Dynasty makes very high quality spas. They do a really good job on these, as you can see. This particular spa, I would call it a plug-and-play spa. That means everything is built into the unit. There's no outside pump or heater or filter or anything. It has 2 6-horsepower pumps built in, a 100 square foot cartridge filter, and an ozone system. If you don't know what an ozone system is, the basic of it is it helps sanitize the water. It uses way less chemicals than you would typically have to use. You'll learn it's going to be your best friend in keeping the water clean. Another fantastic feature with this spa is it has what they call a K1000 controller. It's a touchscreen controller. It controls the lighting, the pumps, the heater. Everything in here is controlled by that controller. Let's take a look at it. This spa is set up with a K1000 touchscreen controller. It's probably my favorite part about the spa. Tap the screen to get it going. You'll drag the icon to the other icon and it unlocks the screen. This controls everything in the spa, the lights, the pumps, the heater, all of it. On this first screen, you kind of have everything. You have your 2 pumps. You have a master switch for your lights. You press that, turns all the lights off, turns them back on. There's no water in it, stuff's not running now. Otherwise, you would see heater temperature here. You can kind of control that, but obviously nothing's gonna happen because there's no water in here. On this left side, you have spa settings, light settings, and then just your general, maintenance settings and all that. On the right side is sub settings within those. So I'll quickly run through a few things. You have your main things here. Day and night contrast. So day contrast, the screen's a little bit brighter. Night creates a little blue ring around the screen. Dims the screen a little bit too. You can invert the screen, so if you want to control it from within the spa, press that, flips it upside down so you can control it over here. And then sleep mode. A lot of customization with your lights. You have a color wheel here. You just select what color you like. There's zones. There's 3 zones here, 1, 2, and 3. If you want to have all of them controlled, all the same color, you keep this little button here on. If you want to all have, each zone has its own color, turn that off. I'm gonna set zone 3 to, looks like purple. I'm gonna set zone 2 to orange. I'm gonna set zone 1 to white. And you can see in the spa, the accent lighting now has like this orangish yellow. All the jets are purplish blue. And then the main light, the main big light here on the side is white. If you want them all the same color again, press that. You're back to there. You also have color shows. You have a slow color show, fast color show. A lot of customization in the lights. In this setting here, there's water care, a bunch of water care settings. Energy saving, efficiency, weekender, away, maintenance schedules, date and time, just generic settings about the spa, like this will have your software number for the screen, because they do updates on these. Tons and tons of different settings in here. Refer to the manual if you have any questions about those. Big thing about this that I'll mention is it does have a smartphone app control. There's an app called InTouch. It's Gecko is the manufacturer or the developer of the app. It's called InTouch. It can control everything that you see here can be controlled on your phone. So if you're out at dinner, you want to turn the spa on, you want to turn the heater up, you can do all that on your phone. You want to change the lights from the patio. You're not in the spa, you're not next to it, but you just want to change the lights to match the landscaping or the pool. You know, you can do all that from your phone. Everything you see here in this app can be smartphone controlled. That is invaluable. It's probably the best thing about it, being able to turn the heater on the way home, get the pumps on, get that hot water flowing on the way home. You don't have to wait till you get home, then turn it on, then wait for it to heat up. You can just do it while you're gone, and then once you get home, you can hop in, have it at the settings you like. Looking at the outside of the spa, we have this black ABS skirting around the outside. It goes all the way around. Really heavy duty. It's gonna be really tough to scuff this up or scratch it. If it gets dirty from a rainstorm or anything like that, just pressure wash it. It's very durable. You're not gonna tear this up trying to clean it. Right behind this panel here, these 4 latches will undo to reveal your equipment, your 2 pumps, your heater, the ozone system. It's not, you know, rocket science trying to get to the equipment. If you got to hire a maintenance guy to come out and work on something, you need to do something, it's all right there, super easy to get to. Let me show you how easy it is to do that. Pull this panel over to the side. It's going to reveal this insulation. So what's awesome about this insulation, it also wraps around the whole spa. You can run this spa all 4 seasons. It can be hot outside, it can be super cold outside. It is insulated in here. Your equipment will be able to run all throughout the year, no matter where you're at. So you flip this insulation back. Right here's your heater, your ozone system. Behind these panels here, you have your 2 pumps. This system here is what is controlling the K1000. This is part of the ozone system here. As I said, very easy to just get right into it. It's not super tight in here. It's very easy to get in here and do any work that you might need to do. If you have any questions about the Smoky Mountain Spa lineup, feel free to give us a call or reach out to us at poolwarehouse.com.